So something I noticed that Last Minute does to break our full court press is they'll bring four guys or three guys up to the inbounders, and after we make our first trap, they'll pass out of it, essentially creating a 3-on-2 since our last guy is going to be guarding their last guy. So the way I would like to try and combat this is to first put pressure on the coffin corner and have our setup, and then pressure their second pass, and then after that, if they've done it correctly, allow their big guy, number 17, I think it is, or whoever is their worst ball handler, allow him to get the ball while everybody else picks up who's around them, and then whoever doesn't have a man come back and pressure him as a ball handler. And I think if we do that, we'll get him to turn over the ball several times. So I just want to run through a scenario that I saw where they brought these three guys up like so, and we had Daniel at the top. So initially we should have him shading to the left, especially if their primary ball handler and best player is on the left side. So hopefully we force this pass to happen. But this is what ended up happening instead. I think because this guy was over here, we shaded to the left, to the right, allowing this guy to come up, grab the ball, so the ball's inbound. We get a trap here and a trap here, and once that happens, it'll essentially look like this. Got Sean, I think, and Daniel was here. Then the inbounder stepped up, and then this guy leaked out a little bit. So at this point, Sean, as soon as the inbounds is over, he should start sneaking over and running up and hopefully try and intercept this back pass. Now, if that back pass happens and Sean gets here, we've got two guys for the middle guy to guard. And what we then want to do is we want to have him more go towards the better ball handler and hopefully force this pass. At this point, if the ball does end up here and we've got our guys like this, what I want is to allow this man to dribble the ball up. Don't let a pass happen back to their primary ball handler or this guy or this guy. I want the middle guy to come over and start, making sure he doesn't get the ball. What should happen is, I think, if this is Daniel, Daniel should sprint back, and because this is the big guy, he should be able to catch him up and just put pressure on him. And since he's a bad ball handler, if we do it properly and deny the ball here, deny the ball here, deny the ball here, Daniel might be able to get a couple steals, or whoever is on the top. So this is just something to think about for our press. And if our press does get broken, just remember to get back on defense and make sure that we can, set up our half court defense. All right.